The Audi A6 and S6 from 2012 through 2018 use multiple fuse boxes located throughout the vehicle. You'll find fuse panels on the driver's side dashboard, passenger side dashboard on some models, inside the trunk and under the hood. Each fuse box protects different electrical systems, so knowing the correct location can save a lot of troubleshooting time. Each fuse box serves a different purpose. The dashboard fuse panel commonly protects interior electronics, lighting, and infotainment systems. The passenger side panel may contain comfort and convenience features. The trunk fuse box often controls rear electronics and audio equipment, while the engine compartment fuse box protects critical systems such as cooling fans, ABS components, and engine management electronics. If a component suddenly stops working, checking the fuse should be one of your first diagnostic steps. Commonly checked fuses include those for the radio, infotainment system, power outlets, headlights, HVAC controls, power windows, and fuel pump. A blown fuse is often an easy and inexpensive fix for electrical problems. To inspect a fuse, remove it using a fuse puller and check the metal strip inside. If the strip is broken, the fuse is blown and should be replaced. Always install a replacement fuse with the exact same amperage rating. If the replacement fuse blows again, there may be an underlying wiring or electrical problem that requires further diagnosis.